Elaine Powell here with you with more Mind Speak. That's working on your mindset so that your core is solid, so then you can speak with passion, conviction, and authenticity. So my question I'm going to ask you is, do you spend too much time up here in your head? You might say, yes, Elaine, I spend way too much time. I remember in 2006, I'd been traveling around the world for a year. I went to 18 countries in 1 year. It was the most amazing experience ever. And I remember I came back. I'd just been experiencing lots of things. I'd skydived in New Zealand. I'd ridden camels in Rajasthan in India. I went on boats. I just did so much. And then I remember I came back to the UK and I was happy to be back because I was with my family and friends. And then I got on the tube and I looked at everybody on the tube and they all seemed to be like this, you know, like a heart monitor. People on the tube seemed to be like, just really flatlining. And I remember sitting there thinking, wow, there's such an aliveness missing in people. Is it because they're going to jobs every day, doing the same thing day in, day out? And maybe inside they're all like, woohoo, I love life and life is, I'm alive, and they're full of gratitude. Or are they actually as dead inside as I was visually looking at them? So my question to you is there aliveness in you? Where does that aliveness come from? Even though I talk about mindset a lot because I love it so much, I feel, and I'm one of those people that I have to catch myself just being up here way too much. Especially when things aren't going so well. Or for me last year, you know, in a breakdown of a relationship, I was in my head way too much. And what I found worked really, really well was just simply taking some nice deep breaths. Breathing in and breathing out. And what you'll find is when you do that, it's like a knob, quietens down, because now your focus is not in that internal chatter. Your focus is now in your body, and guess what? Your body is quiet. Your body is like your heart space, and it's calm, and it's serene, and it's peaceful. And for me, it connects to your source as well, which is energy of the universe. And so if you find that you're in your head a lot, because I look at people on the tube and they're like frowning, they're kind of, I can see what's going on inside of them. They're upset or angry or just not looking happy. And I'm like, oh, you're way too much in your head. If you're inside your body, if you're breathing, and even just saying a mantra that has you say, all is well. And it is. All is well, because it is what you say it is. So say words that's going to make you smile. Say words that's going to elevate you. If you have to say anything, say words that's going to make you feel good and have that aliveness in you. Just remember back when you were a child, when we were like 3 and 4 years old. Oh my gosh, look at your children. When you have your children when they're small, there's so much aliveness in them. My challenge for you is learn to be childlike, just not childish. And see what happens out of being that way and being inside your body a lot more. Letting your mind quieten down and just breathe and say to yourself, all is well. Until the next time, Namaste.